The power of positive emotions and sentiments for each other is the only power that can bring us out of this situation and bring back the Satyug. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Book name Satyug की वापसी, उज्जवल भविष्य की संरचना. The return of Satyug, designing a bright future. The present situation of this world is horrifying. This era of fear, violence, enormous greed, rapes, cheating, global warming, scarcity of vital materials creates a lot of stress for us and for our Mother Earth. The human has completely lost the moral values and gained a self centric outlook. Our thinking can fall to any limit for a small materialist gain and will not hesitate in harming others or destroying the earth. The future is not far when we will see lots of unpleasant things happening around us. The whole world will be affected by it. These calamities will not differentiate between creed, caste, rich, poor, educated, uneducated, powerful, powerless, age, gender, status, or anything. We all will suffer and suffer tremendously. Nowadays, people are praised because of their power, money, and class. It does not matter how they have earned that. Devoid of emotion and sentiments for others has created an environment of chaos, anarchy, and senselessness. Few excerpts from the book. First, we are seeing since the last 2 years and will see more destruction in all directions in terms of losing lives on earth, lots of natural calamities, lots of violence. This situation will be very pathetic and helpless for all of us. We will see the shortage of food, water, and air, which is essential to our existence. There will be a spread of more dangerous diseases. We will be continuously worried for our families and kids. Due to that, humans will get under severe mental stress. The whole society will be agitated by this and start looking for ways to come out of it. Second, can we sustain this kind of situation for a long? No, we are on the verge of losing our most potent tool, our judiciousness and sageness. Our unfulfilled greed has overtaken the power of reasoning from wrong to right. The reasons for humankind to reach this state from Satyug to the present are apparent. Third, the Supreme will not let that happen. There will be an intervention by Him, and He has promised in Gita. We will soon witness the control being transferred to people who have high ethics and morality from people on the destruction path. The change will occur in two folds simultaneously. One is destruction and the other is construction. That is, the demolition of unwanted pieces of society and the construction of moral sentiments, emotions, sageness, and judiciousness in our thinking. Fourth, we will realize that the main reason for all this is that the human species behavior is the most powerful creature on the earth. The Supreme has appointed him as caretaker for this earth. He lost his human behavior and became like a cruel animal. He has no sympathy, sensation, and sentiments for others. He forgot that he was just a caretaker appointed for some time and then must pass on this responsibility to the next generation. Instead, he acquired the seat of master and started ruling the world to fulfill his endless desires. Fifth, a person full of emotions and sentiments can only understand the gist of customs and policies prevailing in the society for social benefits. They can only make use of resources to work for the benefit of humankind and this earth. Once that realization happens, then the process of construction will start. The foundation for that construction is being laid down these days. You can be a crucial participant to bring back Satyug on this earth. Some critical questions answered in this book are: first, what led us to the current situation? Second, why so much growth leads us to more mental stress and frustration? Third, how can we participate in the construction process which has started? Fourth, how to analyze where the issue is. Fifth, what is a complete solution from a noble perspective? Sixth, how to awaken your unconscious emotions and sentiments for a solution. Seventh, what change should happen to bring us from the destruction path to the construction path? Few topics covered in the book. First, executive summary. Second, why things are going opposite way. Third, glimpses of reality behind the gloom. Fourth, be a part of the change and know your responsibility. Fifth, deep diving into problems. Sixth, the holistic solution. And seventh, sentiment, a key to multiple problems.